Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create account for Gmail. Let's go to the browser and then try Gmail. We're going to create Gmail, so just do it, Gmail. This is my old Gmail, so just let's create from here, add another account and just create here. So click for myself. We're not doing a business, so here the name. You can put your name. My name is Stephen Adams, so let's type in. It's working on. One thing we have to know that if someone took already, we can't do again. That's why we have to be careful. Okay. Username. Should be Stephen Adam. Stephen Adam. Just do it the same. And it says that already taken. So yeah, what we can do, Stephen Adam. Maybe today this year's 2020. So at some year. Oh my god. Think yeah, it work. Just let do. So this is for your password. Click next, and then where are you from? You have to choose. I am from the Australia, so I have to choose Australia. This is my phone number, and then recovery. If you need, just add it. And one thing I want to recommend you, please try not to have a lot of account, otherwise you might forget and confuse. So I don't need to recovery, and put your date of birth. And oh yeah, let's do it. Choose your gender. Before we verify our account, there is two ways to verify. One is for message to our mobile, and another one is for call. If you use your number for too many times, it will not work on message. So just hit on the call instead, so it will work, and the computer will call and tell the code. Now it is calling.
Hello. Thank you for using Google Phone Verification. Remember, you should not share this code with anyone else, and no one from Google will ever ask for this code.
All right. It says nobody to show, so I will not show this. I'm so sorry about that. So after you click, after you type your code number, and then just click verify. Maybe yes, I'm in. Just do it. This account is very important for Gmail, for Facebook, for YouTube. Yeah, now we are in. This is a new Gmail account. Thanks for watching. Please comment and like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.